This is my 1994 f250, and I'm going to do a cold start on it. It has the 7.3 IDI, came out factory with the Banks power pack setup. This truck never fails to start. It is turned up a flat and a half, and the timing is advanced a tad. These are actual miles on it. Has 116,000. She warms up pretty quick. This also has the Banks exhaust that was added to it back in the 90s. Oddly enough, with it being stainless, it still looks like new. I'm not sure how much actual power it adds, but it doesn't give it a little more throaty sound. And thanks so much.